Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of camera not working on Google Meet. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you will search about Google Meet and you will enter. Then in this page you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking.